I'm Mark Matsumoto, and today I'm going to show you an easy way to make an all-natural umami seasoning salt that's better than MSG, so stick around. Before I show you how to make the salt, let's do a quick recap on what umami is and why it makes food taste better. The term umami was coined by this guy over a century ago to describe a taste he discovered that's unique from salty, sweet, sour, and bitter. Inspired by the delicious taste of his wife's miso soup one morning, he traced this savory taste to the konbu she'd added that day. After some experimentation, he extracted some beige crystals that he identified as the source of this delicious taste. And he went on to name this Ajinomoto, or the essence of taste. What Ikeda had discovered was glutamate. It's a building block for life that strings together with other amino acids to form protein, which as we all know makes life possible on this beautiful planet. That's why it's no surprise that we have taste buds in our mouth that detect these vital compounds and fire off a signal to our brain letting us know that we're eating something good. But amino acids aren't the only compounds that these umami taste buds can detect. Mushrooms contain a nucleic acid called guanosine monophosphate, or GMP, that can snuggle up next to amino acids, and together they make magic happen. So now that you know what umami is and how to amp it up, let's take a look at our ingredients. For the glutamate, I've got 5 grams of konbu. It's a type of kelp that comes in a variety of shapes and sizes, but the important thing is that it's dry enough to break into pieces. For the GMP, I've got 3 grams of dried shiitake mushrooms. If you can't find dried shiitakes, dried porcini mushrooms make a great alternative. Finally, I've got about a half cup of table salt. There's no need to get fancy here. To make the umami salt, just break the shiitake into small pieces and add it to a spice grinder or a high-speed blender. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with the konbu. You see that powder coming off the konbu? Those are crystals of glutamate on the surface of the kelp that's flaking off, and how we know this is gonna be tasty. Okay, let's affix the lid and grind this into a fine powder. It'll take a while to get this fine enough, so be patient here. If you don't have a spice grinder or blender, you could also do this with a stone mortar and pestle. Okay, let's see how this is looking. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add the salt to a bowl, dump in the konbu and shiitake powder we just made, and stir these together until our umami seasoning salt is uniform in color. Then I'm gonna transfer this into a sealed container, and our umami seasoning salt is ready for action. To use it, just sprinkle it on steaks, tomatoes, edamame, or really anything you want to make taste better. Simple, right? So let's try this out. I'm gonna get a little bit of the salt and I've got a boiled egg here. Sprinkle a little bit on top, just like that. All right, going for the bite. Oh. Sweet, sweet umami. That is just so good. It's just a plain boiled egg, but this not only seasons it, it just adds boatloads of umami that just makes you smile. All right, let's get some more on the yolk here. I mean, this salt is plant-based, but if I didn't know any better, I'd say there's like fish or meat in here. That's how flavorful it is. It's just a few ingredients, but it'll make almost anything taste better. So give it a try and let me know what you think. Okay, I'm gonna go find some more things to sprinkle this on, but check out this video to learn about another Japanese ingredient that's brimming with umami. And I'll catch you in the next one.